How to fix Roblox error code 403. So in order for us to get this done, it's actually going to be very simple. Now I want you to go ahead and right click this one and then click run, and then you're going to go ahead and type here app data just like so, hit OK. And then in the local folder, we're just going to go ahead and open it. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down. We're going to go ahead and look for Roblox. Alright, this is the Roblox folder. I'm just going to go ahead and permanently delete this one, just like so. Okay, after deleting the Roblox folder, we're just going to go ahead and click this one here and type add or remove programs. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Basically from here, what you are going to do is look for the Roblox app itself. And yeah, you have to make sure that it's a Roblox player for this particular PC. Just go ahead and reinstall this one, and that should fix this problem. And that is how you are going to fix Roblox error code 403.